So this guy cuts in the lane a little, that's how side swipes happen. And then you're gonna see another car come all the way from the left to the right lane. No signal, whatever, who cares? Over here, this car runs the red light. You're gonna see it just off right now, the light's red. So you can see the light turns red for both sides for a few seconds. So if you eat the light, you see a car go through while your light is green, you know he ate the light. Same thing over here. It's always red for a few seconds on both sides before one side turns green. Now this car over here, I let the other two go in front, no problem. And then this one got upset. I saw the window. They were like, yelling. I'm like, wait, look, I have the right of way. When you merging in, the car's already on the road has the right of way. So over here, this guy was confused. Like he wasn't sure he's going. He slowed down here. He wasn't sure he wanted to exit. Going half the speed limit. Right here, no signal over here. And then there's like you can't cross over solid white lines. So that's basically what they end up doing. Just impatient, typical stuff you find everywhere. State troopers. I just wanted to point out state troopers are always everywhere. You always got to watch out for them. This guy was like going off the lines a little bit, slipped there again. I'm like, all right, he's either distracted or who knows what. But, it's drivers like this that, you got to watch out for. This guy just aggressively goes, cutting lanes, change lanes, no signal. This guy in front of us was going too slow, I guess. These two cars are just, they use their signals for the most part, but it's just recklessly. This one eats the light over here. Those cars, there was like two at least. This one just cuts that car off in the right lane. Here you can see it's slightly on the line there. There's enough space behind me. I guess he wanted to go behind, but nah, I'll just go in front. Cars do that. I don't know why. Like you just go in front. Look, he's going over the solid white line. It's just impatient. This one typical, the no signals. Again, there's so many of these that I try not to put all of them. But that's the typical drivers here. This one cuts that car off in front of me, and then the car, he presses brakes. Typical cut off. This one, he uses signal there. You see he's speeding a little bit, or a lot. And this one, then he doesn't use a signal. So he uses a signal to cut from left to middle, but not from left to right. Here, these cars are turning, but then this car decides to turn. We would collide if I didn't slow down. Over here, a state trooper responded, so I had to move over to the side. And just another angle. Here, D is a crossing. Had to slow down here. Because I first saw the first one, then the second one comes out of nowhere. Good thing the autopilot reacted. So you can see a distance. This is from the TeslaCam with the audio. Well, TeslaCam audio, but using the TeslaCam as the video. Thanks for watching.